Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Express Transit with Apple Pay on iPhone Air. Express Transit with Apple Pay on iPhone Air is something that lets you pay for public transportation without needing to verify with Face ID. And it only works for public transportation, so don't worry. If you enable it, people that get your phone won't be able to pay with your card in stores, only for public transportation. Because that is the only thing that doesn't require Face ID when it's enabled, because you can also leave it disabled. But if you like to enable it, then you can go to the Wallet app, then click on the card that you'd like to enable it on, and click on three dots here in the top. Click on Card Details, and then go to Express Travel. Find Express Travel Settings or Express Transit, and then select the card that you'd like to use it with. Enter your passcode for the iPhone, and now when you hold your iPhone near a supported public transport reader, it won't ask you for the Face ID on your iPhone. And you don't even need to double click on the side button, it'll just pay. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.